Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Technique Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a Google account by using your mobile phone on your Android. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So first of all, open your Chrome account and just type as Google and just click on the first result. Then you just need to click on the sign in option on the top. Now just click on the create account on the down bottom. Just click on the for my personal use. Now fill your first name and then the last name. So here I just making some sample name and click next option. So then you just need to fill your birthday date. Here I just going creating some numbers, some years, and also your gender should be mentioned here. You can just choose your gender and click next option. Then here they will show two different mail IDs. You can just choose it or create your own Gmail address. You can just customize your own, and you just need to create a strong password now. So you just need to click on the password option and then confirm it again. Then click on the after creating the strong password, you just need to click on the next option. So then after clicking on the next option, you can just go with your required email ID. If you just need it, or you can just skip it. Then click next option. You just need to enter the terms and should be agree the terms and condition and agree it, and now your Google account is created. This is how you just create a Google account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.